Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be putting some window visors on the Optima, the ones that go up here just above the window so that you can kind of crack it open and get some air, and if it's raining you won't get any rain inside your car. I picked up a big old box from ClimArt with some custom Kia Optima ones that are for the 2016 to 2020 body style. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box, see what all's in there, and get them installed on the car. Alrighty everybody, and here they are. I went ahead and picked out these super dark blacked out ones to match the blackout on my car. And as you can see, I got the fronts and the backs, and they gave us, of course, the left and the right. They went ahead and marked them for us. We've got some instructions, and they actually gave us some of the adhesion promoter because these are the 3M double-sided adhesive stick-on ones. So let's go ahead and get them installed on the car. Alrighty everybody, and just like that we've got the visors installed, and I think they look pretty dang sweet. We did have to make a minor modification back here because it overlaps onto this back window just a little bit, so I cut some of that adhesive away so it's not constantly sticking whenever I try to open the back door. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or the visors, let me know down in the comments below. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below if you want to order some of these for your car. Again, thanks so much for stopping by. Check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.